Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change the color of page number in MS Word. Make sure changing the color of page number in Word is a quick process, but the trick is that page number live inside the header or footer area. So first you need to click on the insert, and on the right side you will see that header. You need to click on that and click on the edit header, or you can simply double click on the top of the header section. This will enable the header and footer section. Drag your mouse across the page number digit to highlight it, and now click on the home, and here you can change it to green like this one. So once you change the color of the page number on page number 1, Word will automatically update and apply that same color to all the other page numbers throughout your entire document. For example, I'll hit the enter, and here you can see that page number 2 of 2. So this way you can easily change the color of the page number in Microsoft Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.